let's this is the WordPress file. So let's we trying to do WordPress login, admin login. So here is the WordPress login page is here, and there is a admin. We try the admin here, and the password we have not any password. So let's try the WordPress scan, and here I type the URL, which is http odin here, and password is here, which is we put the rocky.txt, and usernames here, which is admin, and hit enter, and WordPress is starting to scanning the website and finding the password of admin, trying to brute force in our WordPress. Of the our admin page, which is query. Okay, so let's retry the query and log in into the WordPress admin page, and it's working. Now here is the part we have the exploitation part. So here we use the privilege escalations with using the shell upload file. We use the MSF console for the login here. Go to the terminal, go to the new shell. First we root the shell. So here is our MSF console is ready. So first we clear this all the mashup. We are use the exploit, which is a WordPress admin shell upload. So exploit here, Unix here, web app, admin, shell upload. Okay, so we use this here, and now payload configure default to PHP reverse shell. Here is already payload is here. Okay, so we just options here and just put all the options here and set all the set all the options. So let's we first set the R host. Our R host is 192.168.5.153 is our R host. Next we have username. Okay, so let's we use set the username, and it will be a admin. Admin is a username. Set the password. Password is our password is query is our password, and all set. We set all the options here, which is we use the username, our host, and password. Also we set the password. Okay, so let's we exploit this and we see it's working or not. Uploading payload, and here connection is open. Okay, session 1 is open here, which is connected to the vulnerable machine. So let's we use the shell here, and we use the who am I here to find who is the here www.data here,